going to cut some of this out in here, and we're going to use our cutter round Dremel tool here, and we'll use the sanding once we cut this out. Now we'll sand this off some. And then what you do is you just keep checking your alignment and see how it is, and take more out if you need to. So we'll check this. You see how we took this out here. Okay, it's hitting in here, so we want to take this down here so we get it slide easier. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Very important you get this part right, because you don't want to get it all put together and find out that it doesn't open enough. It's got to come out more on that. Okay, we're going to continue to get this rounded down so it'll fit, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.